technical articles. At AAA level, it's very much important. Cover the technical articles from ACCA website, and it's not the time to read all the articles nowadays. Why? Because you have just started. Because you are starting your lectures. So you are not supposed to start reading the technical articles nowadays. As the topics gets and find out in the ACCA website whether there is a new technical article, or I am here to guide you people about the technical articles, right? Which article to read, that is most recent ones, like on sustainability reporting, for example, or any topic in which you are facing challenge. Now let's say, for example, there's a particular topic, group audit, and a student is claiming that I'm not able to understand well, or I need much more examples. So go and access the technical articles on the ACCA website, and you can read it out. What's the importance of technical article? It helps you to analyze mindset of the question theme. So and it is the observation in the past that whenever there is a new technical article, that topic is it will become the examining requirement for the very next attempt. So it has been observed in the past. Also helps to understand the possible requirement to be examined, as I have told you people, right? So the very much important point of technical articles, but must cover the topic first from the lecture. Number 2, revise it, and then number 3, read the technical articles. Now engage yourself with us. That is WhatsApp group. There's a WhatsApp group. You can write your query and I will be answering it. Feel free to ask question in the WhatsApp group. It's made for you. Online assignments, Vertex Learning Solution is a pure online, well structured, online school, online college. Vertex is a very well structured online institution. We have a separate tutoring department, that is me, I am teaching. We have a separate examination department. So they assign you the task, the practice question, the test paper, the assignments, which students should complete, submit it for the feedback. Our dedicated team will give the remarks and you will be having the feedback. So most of the students, unfortunately, are not able to understand the importance of the assignment, because it is the very much important area. It helps you out to analyze yourself. We have live weekly sessions in which I will be conducting the practice sessions, practice questions. Must attend this thing, and later on the recording of it will also be provided. We have the exam refresher webinar series to be conducted in the month of November. Before at least 20 days before the exams, or 15 days before the exams. A revision webinar series. Mocks, very much important area, but unfortunately many of the students neglect this. Why a student neglect this? Because they are hesitating that if I will attempt the mock and if I will be failing, so my tutor will be disappointed. It's okay, let him disappoint, but do not disappoint the examiner who will be giving the marks. So for that you must need to attempt the mock paper, and I do suggest, my advice is that must attempt at least 2 mocks under the exam condition. That is, when you are attempting the mock, there should not be any distraction of mobile phone, the doorbell. No, not at all. Lock yourself for 3 hours 15 minutes and attempt the mock paper. For example, if you are starting at 12 o'clock, end it by 3 p.m. But must attempt it. At least 2 mocks under the exam condition. Later on, not right now. You are starting lectures. And get it checked by your tutor. Analyze the feedback and work to improve on it. Mocks are also available on the ACCA website. It will not be available right now for the December session. So ACCA used to give pre-September mock, pre-December mock, pre-March mock, pre-June mock. So ACCA also, give the mock paper on the it is on your ACCA website.